you want to be very clear about what color that you're using, you can use this concept. It's called an anchor tone. Now, anchor tone is very simple. This is going to be a short lesson. What we do is basically have a larger area that is all one color, right? To demonstrate this, I'm going to use, I'm not going to tell you what it is that I'm using. I'm going to use a color. You're going to tell me what color this is. Your options are not, you can't call this by a local name. You want to call it by one of the 12 color names. So it's going to either be red violet, red, red orange, or orange. It's going to be one of those, obviously. So what is it? Let's see. Is this red violet? Is it red? Is it red orange? Or is it orange? Well, it can be hard to tell. So here's a way to do it. An anchoring tone will help you figure this out. We can see now that this is red-orange because this is red. So this is the anchor tone. It is anchoring in the tonality or the key signature, if you will, of the painting, right? It's making you say, okay, I know what this is because this is very close to this, but it's clearly not this. So like, you know, you can tell, you figure out what it is because the anchor tone shows you what it's not. What you can't have is, you can't have this be more spatially dominant, as far as area, than the main tone. So this works fantastic. And actually, funny story how I came across this was I was doing color field paintings. I was mopping to keep the dust from settling on the glaze, and I just got too close to a painting when I was mopping, and I rubbed off a layer, and it revealed the layer underneath. And then I realized, wow, this contrast, this slight contrast, is actually making it more clear what this color is. Okay, it should be a half step. In music, they call it a half step. To us, it's, if we use our staircase model, right, it would be, if this is our main color, right, this is an anchor tone, or this is the anchor tone. And this will be the tonic. Okay, so in this case, we have a red-orange tonic, and the red is the anchor tone. It is exactly neighbors on the color wheel, always. That's it.